GMX is coiling, and what happens next could shock the market. With major upgrades, rising user stats, and a clean breakout on the weekly chart, we're not looking at a maybe, we're staring at a momentum monster. And here's where it gets interesting. The real target isn't $20 or even $30. It's $69. In this video, you'll discover the proof, the catalysts, and the hidden signals everyone else is ignoring. If you want to be early on explosive DeFi plays, this is the one you can't miss. Let's start with what the smart money watches first, the chart. On the weekly time frame, GMX has just broken out of a descending trend line. However, it has still been in a bearish channel since 2023. This move isn't just technical noise. It's significant. We're now holding just below the 236 Fibonacci level at $18, acting as resistance. And if you draw your trend lines right, you'll see the breakout aligns perfectly with the upper boundary of that macro structure. Now, here's what really caught my eye. The next big confluence zone is around $30, the golden 618 fib level. And also, coincidentally, the top of the channel. Honestly, if the price gets there, I'll take some of my profits. But then when and if the channel breaks my true explosion target, the 1618 extension, $69. That's where the real fireworks start. The Harsi Heikinashii RSI indicator is flipping up from oversold territory. Volume is picking up. This isn't hopium. This is a breakout with receipts. You might be thinking, is GMX still a good value? According to Chain Broker's latest valuation multiplier chart, GMX has a multiplier of just 0.379. That places it among the most undervalued protocols between $300 million and $500 million in TVL or total value locked. It's cheaper on a fee-to-market cap basis than nearly every other competitor in its class. That's a classic setup for outsized returns. And this isn't just a guess. It's hard data showing GMX is delivering real yield without the frothy valuations of other DeFi tokens. Check out these stats from GMX. $2 billion in volume over the last 7 days. 6,848 weekly users. $1.67 million in 7-day fees. $291 billion in lifetime volume. $424 million in total fees generated. Over $380 million still locked. These aren't vanity metrics. They prove GMX is one of the most used and revenue-generating platforms in DeFi. And yes, usage and revenue matter when you're betting on long-term performance. If the breakout and fundamentals weren't enough, here's your macro catalyst. GMX is going multi-chain with LayerZero. That means seamless trading across Arbitrum, Avalanche, Solana, Barricane, Base BNB chain, and more. LayerZero tech lets GMX tap into unified liquidity across ecosystems. This isn't just interoperability. It's composability on steroids. And it gets even bigger. The community just passed a DAO vote to deploy GMX on Botanix Lab's Spider Chain, a Bitcoin Layer 2 that offers full EVM compatibility. That means GMX will soon operate on Bitcoin native rails. What does a project do when it believes in its future? It buys itself. GMX just repurchased 1 million tokens, not for the treasury, for staking rewards under the BBND model. That's a direct signal. The protocol is putting its money where its mouth is. And there's another overlooked edge. 40% of users haven't yet claimed their funding fee rebates and price impact rebates. If you've traded on GMX before, you might be eligible for unclaimed rewards. Want to earn while waiting for GMX to hit $69? Look at this. Ethereum USD GM Pool is paying 27% APY. Solana USD GM Pool, 26%. Chainlink USD, a crazy 36%. Even GLV vaults are paying double-digit yields for those who want broader market exposure. If you want a DeFi strategy that beats staking alone, these vaults let you rotate into high-yield, low-effort positions. If you're here, you're clearly serious about building wealth through DeFi. But here's the thing. Most people don't even know where to start. That's why I wrote my eBook, DeFi Financial Freedom, the ultimate beginner's guide. It's a powerful, no-fluff crash course into staking, yield farming, airdrops, and maximizing passive income in crypto, all for less than a cup of coffee. And right now, it's just $4.99. Check the top pinned comment for the link, and if you're serious about leveling up, go grab your copy today. We just saw the breakout. The data confirms the value. The usage is exploding. The ecosystem is expanding. The protocol is buying itself, and the yields are better than ever. This isn't a maybe. It's a momentum shift. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more daily deep DeFi insights, and drop a comment below. Where do you see GMX going next? And if you haven't already, make sure to watch my previous video. It'll be on the screen now. Let's build wealth the smart way. See you tomorrow in the next one.